I have black airbrush color here with the thin brush. And what I want to do is go around the edge of the heart, but leave a little, I don't want to go right on the edge, I want to leave a little space and just come around. If you only have gel color, you can use gel color also, but then you would want to thin it down, so you may as well use this if you have it. Okay, then for the wings, we're going to go around those. And right on the edge. And go right in those little areas there. Okay, and then the other side. Now what I've done is I've taken this as white airbrush color, and I've mixed it with basically what was on the brush, the black that was on the brush, just to make a slight gray color. And then I'm going to come back in here to these small grooves like this. And then just pull some. Just very lightly. And then on the other side. And there you go. The other thing I want to do is take some of this color, the lighter, and just do a few little highlights here. Just very faint. There you go. There we go. Okay, I'm going to be making these little ribbon roses here, which we already have some made. So what you want to do is roll out some red fondant, and you want it to be fairly thin. You want to make sure that you can slide it on the surface like this. And then I'm just going to take you can use a pizza cutter, I'm just going to use a spatula here. And I'm going to cut strips. The longer the strip, the bigger your flower will be. And for this cake, we want a lot of smaller ones. We'll do some larger ones for the bottom. Now I flipped it over. Now I'm going to bring this in and kind of leave this loose at the top. Then take this corner here and fold this down. Then I want to keep my fingers down here at the base and just roll. And that's all we have to do for this one is roll. So once you get to whatever size rose you'd like, you can stop right there, snip it off here, and then this portion right here, fold this down and roll this up. Then you have all this excess, right? So what you want to do is just pull that off and pinch the back a little bit, and there are your little ribbon roses. Then next step is that we're going to paint the edges of these. So the same black, what you're going to do, hold on to it and just paint a little ridge right in the center of each little swirl. And it's good if you can let these dry before you put them on the cake, that way you don't smudge the black.